Well, that was a very long sleep. Let's just go to Cafe Mike's. Okay, now let's just go to Cafe Mike. Hey kid, watch where you going. Hey dude, can you please just stop running? I'm just trying to go cafe. Wait, whoa, don't, please, no.
Art, I don't want to alarm you, but...
Bro, this is not the time to scratch and...
Nope.
Never.
Fine. If you don't get out of bed, I will do it myself.
No. Please don't. I'll do anything.
Wow.
Alright, time to get some tasty tap water.
In the near future, when you get a glass of tap water, there's a chance that it could have come from your toilet.
Who's the dumbass blocking the screen? Down in front! What the f*** am I saying?
Gotta take that call. They want you at work, so girl, go do you.
Do not
Show me.
that ever again.
Hey dude, you're breaking the fourth wall. I don't care if I'm breaking the fourth wall. Anyways, video 5.
It's time for the church. The church begins with 43 chars and that's all.
Oh no, I only have 100 chars. No.
I'm gone, how do you?
Good morning class, and let's start the roll call. Stephen Wynn.
Here.
Princess Serena Ruby Chan.
Here.
Classic Gaylu.
Oh no, I'm late for class so much.
Classic.
Thanks for watching.